So, as much as we'd like to believe that the lightsabers that we built at Savi's workshop at Galaxy's Edge are powered off of kyber crystals, unfortunately, they are powered off of AAA batteries. So eventually, that lightsaber that you brought home is going to run out of power. So in this video, we're just going to talk about how to change the batteries in the Savi's workshop lightsaber. So the first thing you're going to do is just unscrew the hilt. Pretty simple. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then at the bottom, you'll notice the that little black piece there. And what you're going to do is you're going to push down and turn, and that should come right out. And you'll notice that we do have the that red arrow, and that'll be important when we put it back. And then at the bottom here, or at the top, I should say, there is a little screw there. So you are going to need a very small screwdriver. And all you need to do is unscrew that screwdriver, that screw right there. And you don't need to unscrew it all the way, but just make sure you get it pretty well. And there we go. And just like that, we have our AAA batteries there. So let's go ahead and take those out. And you'll want to dispose of those responsibly. And then we've got our new batteries here, and we're just going to put those in just like you would any other electronic device. And spring side to the negative side. And then we're just going to put this piece right back on. And again, all we're going to do is take that screw and screw it back in now. Okay, that's on there really well. And then what we're going to do is, I don't know if you can tell, see if we can get an angle that you can actually see. There's a red arrow right there. It's very similar to that red arrow, and what we're going to do is put that in and turn. As you listen to that, the lightsaber lets you know that it is on. And we'll go ahead and screw back on the hilt of our saber. And there we go. And that's all you need to do to change the batteries in your lightsaber from Savi's workshop. With that, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. If you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.